In this video, I'm going to show you guys how people are getting paid a ton of money for leaving Amazon reviews of products that they purchase every day. The Amazon Influencer Program is one of those programs that you don't need a huge audience, a social media presence, and you can start to make passive income online without any social media presence. You don't need to have a huge TikTok following or Instagram or YouTube or anything like that. All you have to do is just leave Amazon review of the product that you're already buying and that you like. If somebody watches your video review, you automatically get a commission of that sale. People are making a ton of money doing this, and it doesn't take a lot of time. This is almost like passive income. It's only going to take you 30 seconds to up to maybe 2 minutes to make a video review on your phone. You just record the product, talk about the product, and then once people see your video review and then they buy the product, you automatically get a commission for people buying the product and that you recommending the product to the viewer. So Amazon Influencer Program is an amazing program, especially if you want to make some passive income, because 2 years down the line, if they watch the video that you made like 2 years ago and they buy the product, you still get a cut from that sale, a commission. I believe it's around 3% commission for each if they watch your video and then they buy the product. So let me show you guys how to do it and how to get started with the whole process. So here is the Amazon Influencer Program, and I'm going to have the link in the description down below as well as in the pinned comment so you can find it easier. And you can see here that monetize your content with Amazon Influencer Program. You build your storefront, you can create and earn money just off making videos and video reviews of things that you love every day. You don't need to think outside the box and advertise it on Instagram or YouTube, anything like that, because Amazon already has like traffic coming into their products. So that's really cool of how you can do it. So all you're gonna do is click sign up, and you're gonna click create a new account, or you can use your previous Amazon account if you have one already, and then you can register it to be included in the Amazon Associates program. So once you sign in to the Amazon Influencer, they're gonna ask you what your Instagram is, your YouTube, or your TikTok. You don't need that many followers to get approved. You could have 100 followers, and I've seen people get approved. So you're gonna just link in your Instagram or your YouTube. Let's click Instagram here, sign up with Instagram. It's gonna log you into this, and then you just sign in. If you have a YouTube, sign in with that. Then once you log into the Instagram, you're just gonna get a pop-up like this, and then click allow, and then click allow as well. Then it's gonna say, okay, you're approved for the program. You're just gonna upload your image here and your cover. So let me do that right now. That's a terrible picture, but okay. And this, I see if I can do it without it right now. Shaddy, let's just put Shaddy. I love to sell products on Amazon, even though nothing related to that. All right, let's click next. What'd you hear about us? Let's say Amazon. Click next here. Let's put in some information here. Okay, put in our info. Now after, you're just gonna click I understand. My consent is not primarily directed. Click these two here. And now you're up and running. You're ready to start your Amazon affiliate program. So you can see here with managed content, you can create videos here and inspire with videos and get a commission for, leaving Amazon reviews. How do you know? I'm gonna show you guys a couple of examples that people are making money with Amazon reviews. So what I like about this is that it goes off percentage. So if somebody buys a product for 100 bucks, you get $3, but it's passive income. There's constantly tons of people watching videos and buying every day. So let's go on here and show you guys a couple of examples of influencers. So let's put GoPro, for example, here. So I know GoPro, there's a bunch of influencers. People like to leave video reviews for expensive products. That way they get a higher commission. So let's go to the 𝗫𝗀𝗃. This is the latest GoPro that just came out. I guarantee you there's only 150 reviews for this product, right? But people are constantly buying this product every day. So you can see this video here is probably not an influencer, but these are the influencers right up here. You can see that right here. Let's click this, and you can see here, earns commission. This person earns commission when you watch their video, as well as this one as well, earns a commission. You can see here, earns a commission. So a lot of these people make money when you watch their video. It's a really cool feature that Amazon rolled out that you can be making a good amount of money. I believe it's a 3% cut that they're giving at the moment for everybody that watches your video and then buys the product. It's a great way to be making some passive income, some long-term income. It's really fast to make a video like this. You just need your smartphone, record it, talk about it, say how amazing the product is. We shop all the time on Amazon. We buy a ton of products. Review the products that you already have and leave some reviews and video reviews with the Amazon Influencer Program. You're gonna be making some passive income without even trying. There's a lot of videos out there saying, how to make money online and this and that, but this actually works. Affiliate marketing, especially this, is something so easy to do that you can be making some passive income online with minimal effort. I'm telling you, this is what I like. There's a lot of videos on YouTube where they show how to make money with AI or how to do this and that, and that's not actually true. This is one of the good ones that I'm suggesting you to do. So it's easy and super fast to do. You saw how easy I got approved and I'm up and running. Now all I have to do is leave some reviews and start getting paid. So that's about it, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I really, really appreciate it. And that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.